Today, in Private Email Part 2, we are going to go deeper into the world of private email and set up a private email address and service for 99 cents. Let's get started. The first thing we will need is our own domain name. For email, you need an address to send and receive your messages to and from. On the internet, a basic address is a domain name. As most of you know, domain names come in many different extensions, from .com to .xyz, with prices from 99 cents a year to $50 a year. Since we are setting up an email for 99 cents, we will need to find the cheapest domain name with free email service. I found a .site domain and registered it through Gandhi.net for 99 cents a year. Gandhi.net offers 2 email boxes with no additional charge with each domain account. A quick warning. There are many different domain registers out there. Some are much better than others. One problem I have had and seen other people have is some domain registers like to offer cheap domain registration prices, then upsell and inflate the prices on every other service. The worst domain register with deceptive and fraudulent practice I have had issues with and seen others have issues with is GoDaddy. I would not recommend them for anything due to dishonest charging and upselling practices. If you want more than a domain registration from a company, make sure to check their prices on additional services. Today I will be using Gandhi.net. I have gone through them before and had good experiences. I will take you through a quick step-by-step on setting an email service up with them. Other domain registers usually have similar control panels and options, so this tutorial should give you a good idea on how other registers are laid out also. Shortly after purchasing your domain, you should have access to the control panel. Once you log in, on the left side of the tool panel, there is a button titled Domain. When you click on that, it will take you to your purchased domain. Once you click on your domain, you will be taken to the controls for your new domain. On the top toolbar, you will see a button for email. Click on the email button, and shortly down the page, you will see a button for Create New. Click that, and you should be taken to a page to create your new email address. Fill in the name for your new email address, and fill in a good password. Scroll down the page, and click the Create button. Once you have created your new email account, you should be taken back to your email account page. If you look down to the bottom, you should find your new email account. Click on this email account, and you will be taken to the control page for your new email account. You will find 2 different buttons on this page labeled Webmail. Click on those, and you will be taken to a page where you will have a couple of options for email software. Most email registers and hosting companies will give you 2 to 3 options for email software. I would recommend clicking and trying both of them to see which one you like best. Today we are going to use Roundcube. Once you click on your desired software, you will be taken to the login page. If you bookmark this page, you will have easy access to log into your email. Fill in your new email address and your chosen password and click Login. You are now at your new email account. Easy as that. You now have your own private email. The valuable aspect of this is you now own your own email address. You are not using a large data company's email address and having to have your personal communications data mined and exploited as payment for a quote free service. You own your own email address and you own your data that goes through it, a very valuable thing for a small price. Next week in part 3, we will go over setting up your own email software on your own computer. This will give you some more valuable options, such as not having to log into your Domain Registrar software to get your email. Thanks for watching. Be safe, be secure.